4370, climb maintain 1515,000, turn
So
right 0.
Curvo has a localizer.
Runway 32.
Yeah, but that's not precision though. So he put in my notes, remember the document that I sent? He put, I need a precision, I need a circling, and I need a non-precision. So non-precision and circling, you can do it on the same one.
Yeah.
There's a BOR alpha there, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And I'm just wondering if I have absolutely need to do the ILS or I can substitute it for an RNAV.
Contact right now,
Yeah,
127.2.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
Because with Steamer I actually did an RNAV and I went miss. So technically I did a precision approach, but he really wanted to do the ILS.
Max 54, Roger.
Okay. Oh.
So
They did RNAV 1-3 into PIL. And then
yeah, I did that one.
and an ILS in Brownsville?
I couldn't complete that one, and then he wanted to, and then we were going to do the VR Alpha, but then we went for gas, and then we were going to do the ILS 1-8 in Arlington. I don't know if the ILS was absolutely necessary at that point based on the regulations.
Yeah, okay.
Because it's one precision, two non-precisions, or what were the rules?
Yeah, well, it's one precision, two non-precision, so the ILS is the precision, and then RNAV and VOR are the non-precision.
Can you really substitute the ILS for RNAV?
I mean,
I think you can, because there's a lot of places that
don't have it.
Yeah.
Air 4370, traffic 7 miles northeast of McAllen, westbound station at 1,500, contact Valley 12655. Yep. One 516. When you're ready, I got a squawk frequency for you.
I am ready, Cessna 516.
516, squawk 0342, departure frequency 126.55.
126.55, 0342 on the squawk, Cessna 516.
Says, yes, a WAS RNAV GPS approach to LPV minimums can substitute for an ILS on an instrument check ride as a precision approach if its decision altitude is 300 feet or less above the ground.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do the Sanka and then ILS here, because one of the things that got me over there, well, I think I was a little bit tight when I was being vector over there in Harlingen.
Okay.
I was being vector at 2000, and I was being vector for the final approach fix, which is a 1400.
Yeah.
Plus, he gave me the vectors, the glide slope was already coming down, and I wasn't even established, you know. But then you get that change of sensitivity. I was approaching it, and then I was doing my final turn, and then I got that change, and then the needle went all the way far.
Okay.
And that was my mistake there.
I gotcha. Okay.
But it was really, really hard, because I was seeing the glide slope coming down, but then I couldn't see where I was out in the final approach fix. I don't have my iPad, I don't have an outer marker, you know. So that approach, that plate doesn't say that you need GPS, but it's very GPS based.
Yeah, okay.
They don't have outer markers.
Oh.
I didn't have a GPS, I didn't have I just had the needles converging.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's do a run up. Brakes are set, trim set for takeoff. Trim set for takeoff, flight controls. Right. Rudder. Alright. Instruments. We are level 0, level. We are at 290. And we are level over here. Make sure for best power, make sure it's reach, primary is in and lock, primary in and lock, RPM 1700. 1700 RPM, right magneto. Right magneto drop, going back to both. Left magneto drop, going back to both. Car feet.
654, roger.
Car feet drop. Oil pressure, oil temperature rising. Suction positive, amperes positive. We'll go back to idle with car feet. Airplane doesn't shut down. Car feet is up. Turn up. Flaps are at 0. Flaps are at 0. Make sure for best power. Car feet is off. Pilot heat as required. Transponder we got it. Heading bug, doors and windows. Landing light on. Strobe stamp note. Brakes release. What are we missing here? Set up the radios. Plan 17.2. 029er. And yeah.
Alright, all good?
Yeah, everything's good. Oh yeah, my glasses. I knew I was forgetting something. Such a beautiful deck.
Yeah, it is
Didn't want to
beautiful
wear
deck.
them. I had to. And yesterday I actually checked the tires. And they were very flat.
Yeah.
Well, only the front was quite flat.
Yeah. Did Steambock mention anything else about the plane or no?
No, I was so glad.
Good.
The only thing it was that the knob, like beep beep beep, wasn't
okay.
working.
Oh.
But it was I was checking the manual for that thing, and it was because you know how there's a mode that keeps tracking like the other one.
Uh-huh.
If you're monitoring the other one, you cannot do the like beep, like the nav
I
check.
gotcha. Huh.
So I had to disable the other one, but now I can do the nav check.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. All right.
Alright, ready to go?
Close. My classes are there. I'll put it when we're airborne, and we're ready for takeoff. All right. McAllen Tower, Cessna 11516, holding short runway 32, ready for takeoff.
11516, type proceed on course, runway, correction, proceed northeastbound, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Proceed northeastbound, runway 32, clear for takeoff, Cessna 516. I mean, that's where we're going.
Yep.
030.
McAllen Tower, MX54 is in Benchmore.
Airspeed's alive.
Next level, roger, contact Valley 12655, see ya.
Going to Valley, MX54, thanks sir.
Alright, let me know whenever you want me to take over.
Yeah, let me trim it really quick.
Okay.
And you can take over.
Alright, I got it. My controls.
You got the plane?
I got it, don't worry. Really kicking us over.
I can get the bird.
Alright, you got the airplane.
I got the airplane.
The airplane.
My airplane.
Yeah, the wind kind of shifted. That was like almost from the north.
Yep.
You can give me a 030.
Yep.
We'll go northeastbound.
I'm gonna do 050 just to intercept.
Okay.
And then I'll go back when I intercept.
Sounds good.
Bravo 6, Contact departure, yep.
Wait till departure, see ya, Cessna 516.
I done.
Delta 279, radar contact, 2 miles north of Reynosa. Turn right heading 070, just going to maintain 4,000.
070 heading down to 4,000, exec jet 279.
November 5, Golf Hotel, contact Houston Center on 128.15.
2815, take care, Golf Hotel.
Early approach, Cessna 11516, 1,700.
Legion 1198, turn right in 220, so maintain 2,000.
220, 2000, Legion 1198.
November 11516, Valley departure radar contact, maintain VFR at or below 3,000.
VFR out or below 3,000 and we'll be holding on Stanka, Cessna 516.
Legion 1198, you're 8 miles on the final approach fix, turn right in 280, maintain 2,000 until established clear ILS 32.
280, 2000 till established cleared for the ILS 32, Legion 1198.
Bonanza 369, Golf, Valley departure radar contact, climb maintain 12000, Red Corpus. November 516, intentions.
Yeah, we'll be holding on Sanka here, and then after that we would like to get vectors for the ILS 32 for McAllen.
516, proceed direct Sanka, hold as published, maintain VFR at below 3000.
Proceed as foul, proceed to Sanka at or below 2000, Cessna 516. Proceed as foul, he said?
Proceed as requested.
Proceed direct to the field.
Okay, direct to the airport, exec jet 279er.
Legion 1198, contact McAllen Tower.
Well, he said he took your iPad away.
He took the ownership of the iPad, so I don't have it. And then I'm just gonna put here the
Good.
10.5. Yeah. So it's pretty much like paper, you know?
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, it should. I mean, I could take it off right now, but I don't think it's gonna be with all of the examiners.
No, it's okay.
I mean, it's very good to have it because you get a lot of situational awareness.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
It's just kind of good to know what he kind of likes to do, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see how it goes with the one in San Antonio. I don't know. I don't think so, you know, just because there is a very high traffic intensive area.
Yeah.
You know, so the only day the examiner wants to be safe too, you know.
Yeah.
That's my take on it. I don't know. Maybe he'll take it away. We don't know. But
shouldn't be a long flight. Probably like an hour flight.
Alright, so we are holding here. Sanka is 10.5 miles. So 10.5 miles, we're going to do a parallel entry. 02, we're holding 020. There's a 10-degree wind correction here. Pretty much.
Envoy 4128, fly heading 130.
Fly heading 130, and we also just have the RNAV 32 in the box for 4128.
Roger, 1190, or Envoy 4128, descend to maintain 4000, expect the RNAV 32.
Roger, descend maintain 4000, expect the RNAV 32, Envoy 4128.
Envoy 4317, Valley approach, fly heading 180, descend to maintain 4000. Roger, Delta.
Alright, let's get that 029er back.
Yeah. See? And then. It works?
Yep.
Alright, 7.7. What does this red flag mean? They're just like go up or left or right.
Okay, those are the flags.
279, descend to maintain 2000.
Yeah, no, they're not flags.
2000, exit jet 279.
Envoy 4128, descend to maintain 2000.
Descend maintain 2000, Envoy 4128.
Basically like a bearing pointer, help you fly a specific course to or from a waypoint like a VO or a GPS point. With the arrow showing direction, left to right off course on the CDI.
I see. I'm almost like 20 degrees here.
Yeah, for the correction, yeah,
Yep.
I was about to tell you.
I will keep that in mind when doing that turn. Or when coming opposite. Like 010, 015,
Yeah.
we'll do 20. So we are 0.5 miles or 0.7 pretty much. 0.7 miles to intercept. We're going to count 1 minute. Not for tracking purposes, but just to give us a little bit more time.
Okay.
And then we'll do the parallel entry.
Okay.
Shall I give myself a little bit more threshold, or just keep it at 2,000, like on the check ride?
You can give yourself a little bit
Like
more of a
100
buffer.
feet maybe,
Yeah, about 50 feet's fine.
or 50. the thing, like, you never know how are they, right? It's like, oh, you're below 2,000,
Yeah,
which is published, you're busted.
Yeah, some DPs are like that, unfortunately.
Yeah. They cannot bust you for being 50 over, right?
No.
Okay.
But, alright, so 10.5.
Alright. 1 minute counting. So we're in the 0 to 9, we're gonna do left turn to 210 minus 30. It's gonna be 180. Left turn to 180.
Envoy 4128, turn right in 220.
Turn right heading 220, envoy 4128.
Exec jet 279,
Alright,
Cameron County, exit 12 o'clock, 10 miles.
180.
Exit 279, roger, the IFR cancellation received. No traffic observed between you and the airport. Change to advice strict.
All right, switching to Squawken, exec jet 279. Have a good day.
Good day. Bonanza 4, Charlie Yankee, contact Brownsville Tower.
We contact Tower, Brownsville 404, Charlie Yankee, thank you, sir.
Envoy 4128, you're 5 miles from the final approach fixed. Turn right in 280, maintain 2000 until service clear, RNAV 32.
Turn right heading 280, maintain 2000 still established, cleared RNAV runway 32, envoy 4128.
Citation 505, Bravo, valid departure radar contact, fly heading 235.
Heading 180, so I want to go 180 all the way until I intercept the approach course, which is at 209er.
Good.
Envoy 4128, contact tower.
Over tower, good day, 4128.
The 09er is coming. Also 10.5.
Good.
Right, 10.5. We're just gonna go ahead and turn right. 030.
Good.
We're ascending a little bit. Losing power.
Valley, Max Flight 2, back with you on Moorefield.
Next side 2, valid approach, INET. Next side 2, radar contact, mile northeast of Moorefield, the route of flight.
We'll be going southeastbound another 15 miles, then start working west and east, be north of the Delta.
Next side 2, roger, for shares plus of the McAllen altimeter 3058.
3058, Max Flight 2.
Citation 5, Bravo, information, Foxtrot is current at McAllen, the wind 340 at 11, altimeter 3058. Expect the visual approach to runway 32. Citation 5, 5 Bravo Bravo, turn right heading 250.
030, count in 1 minute.
Alright.
Envoy 4317, advise you to see the field, that's your 10
It's applied 20 degrees direction
Yep,
to the left.
exactly.
Envoy 4317, clear visual approach, 36 left, contact Hans and Tap on 119.3. Happy New Year. November 5 Bravo Bravo, descend and maintain 2000. Alright, citation 5 Bravo Bravo, clear visual approach, runway 32.
Alright, 1 minute.
Alright.
210.
Citation 5 Bravo Bravo, contact McAllen time.
And Valley approach, next left 4.
Next 54 Valley approach, ident, see route of flight, next 54.
Next left 4 will be, in about 2 more miles, we'll be turning north and south winds, working away west.
Next 54 radar contact 3 north of Moorfield, proceed as requested McAllen 73058.
3058, next left 4.
It's actually on, this should be on, I know, in 209, right? Yep. I'll fix it right now.
Max 57 Valley departure, radar contact, say intention. Max 57 Roger, port establish.
Alright.
November 7539 November, Valley approach, advising we have the weather at
We're already at
midnight.
10.5.
What is it?
We're already at 10.5.
Roger.
Damn, that's crazy. So that means,
Gotta really stretch out.
yeah, I need to give it 40 more seconds on the other one.
Yep.
November 6590 Alpha.
Alright, so wings level or wings up,
Brownsville.
or
Beam the fix.
beam the fix. We'll just wait for 10.5 and we'll start there.
Bonanza 5 or November 90 Alpha. Enter the right base for 31.
Good.
We'll do 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Okay.
Makes sense because the wind is coming from the north.
Exactly.
About 1 minute and 40 seconds. 230. 210 actually. Yeah, so for this one I don't automatically set a heading for wind correction because it really depends where you are on the hill, right?
Where you end up.
Like left or right.
And then you see where you're at and then correct for it.
Crazy because I'm nailing that.
Perfect.
Yeah. I hope. I mean, this never happens on the actual test. Here we go. 1 minute. It's already counting. Maybe we'll make it.
Yeah, I think so.
Make 57, Roger.
Yeah, it seems like we did. More or less. No.
Yeah. Within a 0.2.
1.2, yeah.
Alright, sweet.
I approach Cessna 11516. Can you vector us to practice ILS 32 for McAllen?
Cessna 516, fly heading 160, maintain VFR at or above 2000.
Heading 160, maintain VFR at or below 2000, Cessna 516.
At or above 2000.
At or above.
At or above 2000, Cessna 516.
There you go.
Yeah, now they are like, do you want to do a IFR flight plan? Are you going IFR? Because I got trapped yesterday. And I guess they wanted their best to put me in a short, quick IFR flight plan, right?
Yeah.
And I was like, no, I didn't pass my test.
November 369 Golf, contact Corpus Christi approach on 120.9.
All right, let's do that whole thing. Let's get the weather.
6, altimeter 3058. ILS approach use line departing runway 32. Runway 32 Vasty's out of service. Runway 136 is closed. The landing and departing traffic.
Big 490 Valley departure radar contact. Proceed direct to the Corpus Christi B1.
Summation Foxtrot 1553 Zulu, wind 340 at 11. Visibility 10 miles, sky conditions ceiling 8,000 overcast, temperature 12, dew point minus
11
6,
o'clock,
3058.
3 miles, maneuvering, the altitude indicates 1,400.
That makes up what we're looking for.
Visit 58, formation Foxtrot, 11 knot winds. Okay, weather is good. Let's check our instruments. All right, localizer. 111.7.
November 369 Golf, contact Corpus Christi approach 120.9.
111.7 on the localizer. Final approach was 137.
954, Roger. Maintain visual separation from the traffic. Not talking.
954.
130, 137, 140. Okay. Getting heading on 160. I'm gonna look ahead and yep, 160, 160. Okay, instruments, radios. Okay, so we are with approach. That's McAllen Tower. That's good. And the next one is going to be ground. Okay, radios are set. Go ahead and evaluate your approach. So we're being vectored for the ILS 32. This is wrong. No. ILS 32, right there. Alright, so our final approach case is Gash. We're gonna be vector somewhere before Gash. We have to be there at 1,800 feet. We actually gonna make this one interesting. Let's do this one at non-precision, counting. Okay. From Gashes to missed approach point. Okay. Because most of the view are alpha are like that. Yeah. So just get in the habit. Sounds good. Yeah, like for this one, you actually need like your iPad because you need ground speed, not this one, you know.
Okay, this doesn't give you ground speed at all, huh?
Yeah. And this one also gives you ground speed, but you need to set it up here. Do you recommend send me to set up the
November 516, fly heading 150.
Heading 150, Cessna 516.
Yeah, I'd probably just have it set up there.
Yeah, and if he says no, right?
Yeah.
But if he doesn't say anything,
then just leave it there.
Yeah, but you know that you're following your radio.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but
Bighorn 90, contact Houston Center on 128.15.
Like get the most help that you can, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much. All right, heading 150, procedure, approach, KMFE, approach, ILS 32. We're getting vectors and activate approach. Not appropriate GPS, yes, I understand. So there it is. 100 knots. Is gonna change when we go there. Yep. But let me get close to 2,000. Let's do 2,100 here.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna do. I mean, pretty much for these ones, circle to land, they're very...
Envoy 3387, departure radar contact.
People use them when it's the opposite of the runway, isn't it?
Yeah.
But for this one doesn't make sense because it's for a straight in.
Yeah, exactly.
Or when you are, they kind of like make sense when you are not aligned with a runway, like for the alpha ones.
Yeah, exactly.
But for this one, the straight in approach, we hit the circle to land, but it's just gonna go straight to the runway. But we're gonna go localizer without Ojiku. No, we'll do it with Ojiku because we have a GPS. But minimums are going to be 440, 1 nautical mile, 1 statute mile visibility, and to the missed approach point. Yep. Pretty much it's going to be a localizer.
Yep.
Yep.
Envoy 3387 for direct San Antonio.
But since we can track Ojiku, we can go lower. So.
November 516, will this be a full stop?
Yes, sir. This will be a full stop, Cessna 516.
Do you think like the controllers here will ever let me hold on the VOR or not really?
I mean, yeah, if you request it, and they're not too busy.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow we can try because over there the holding patterns are on the VOR.
Okay.
And I've done it on the simulator, but I've never done it in real life.
Yeah.
So I know that before approaching it, you need to give your heading, right?
Yeah.
Because it's really sensitive.
Yeah.
But just to practice on the real approach, how it feels.
November 103, Sierra Victor, Valley approach.
Because they always give it to the Navy trainers when they request it, so.
Okay. Maybe tomorrow we can request it.
Okay.
103, Sierra Victor, Squawk 0337, SATAP aircraft. Cessna 103 Sierra Victor Radar, contact 15 miles southeast of Harlingen. Make a straight in for 36 right. Envoy 3387, contact Houston Center on make that 128.15.
I keep climbing.
Good day. Stationer 7539 November, roger. Change to advice for approved. November 3 Sierra Victor, contact Harlingen Tower. November 516 to right in 220.
Right heading 220, Cessna 516.
November 11516, you're 4 miles from the Farm Post fixed. Turn right heading 280. Maintain VFR at or above 2000 until established cleared ILS 32.
Right heading 280, clear for the ILS 132 and maintain 2000 until established Cessna 516.
Foxtrot, Velocro, Center, maintain 4000.
There you go. Sorry. You're good. I'm not that fast.
Just Center, maintain 4000, sir.
Is it above? Yeah, 2000 or above.
Yep, 2000 until established.
Cessna 516, contact McAllen Tower.
Wait to McAllen Tower, Cessna 516. Thank you.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Good day. Your buddies. Alright, 2100. Alright.
McAllen Tower, Cessna 11516 on the ILS 32.
11516, McAllen Tower, is you going to be full stop?
That's affirmative, Cessna 516.
516 runway 32, clear to land.
Runway 32, clear to land, Cessna 516.
Alright, we are center, we go to 320. Now. Very cool, we're already on the glide slope, sorry, on the localizer. And for that one, Gash is actually at 5.0 miles, which, are we past Gash or not? No, 3.5. Alright, cool stuff. Yeah, because, I mean, on this one we don't have outer markers either. So if I didn't have a GPS, we'll just wait until it goes down. Hope for the best. Yeah, Yeah, and the wind was coming a little bit northeast, so I'm assuming it's going to be a 300 heading. Remember, 20-degree deviation to the left. It's not coming, but we'll be patient. This thing is really sensitive.
McAllen Tower, Skyhawk 97019, holding short, runway 32, ready for takeoff.
We can descend to 1,800, don't we?
Safer.
Yep.
Zero 9, make left close traffic, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Left traffic, runway 32, clear for takeoff, 019.
Yep, it's a 300. 300 heading, keep it there.
Good morning, shore 070, 12 miles to the west, inbound with Charlie.
Shore 070, McAllen Tower, good morning. Same position again?
11 miles to the west, 5,100.
Shore 070, roger, report at midfield, left down, runway 32.
Midfield, left down, 32, Shore 070.
Side slope's coming alive. We'll just wait for half of it, right?
Yep.
Or the first one.
Half a mile, half a dot from your glide slope, you can technically configure.
Yep.
Already half
a mile. And half a dot is going to be lower, right?
Yep. Or half a mile or half a dot.
Half a dot, all right.
114 Tower, report 2 east for Charlie, Charlie 2.
Report 2 east, Charlie 114.
114, you're going to be looking for the right base for Charlie, the wind's 3408.
Yes, sir, we'll for the right base.
414, roger, remain north of taxiway Alpha. Traffic on a 5-mile final for runway 32 is a Cessna 150.
Remain north of Alpha, we'll be looking for traffic on final, Charlie 114.
516, traffic 5, directly east McAllen westbound. A A-Star helicopter at 1,000, they'll be north of Alpha.
And looking for traffic, 516.
McAllen Flight Academy 2.
Tower November 2, 5959, holding short runway 32, ready for takeoff.
Two 5959 Tower, turn right on course, runway 32, cleared for takeoff. Traffic 4-mile final, Cessna 150.
Right on course 32, clear for takeoff, 2959.
And this airplane is not going down. Minimums. Ooh, man, I forgot. I was gonna do that in position with the timer. It's fine, we'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah, we can do it tomorrow. With that glide slope.
Yep. Minimums 302. 400.
Tower Skyhawk 019, left downwind 32, looking for the option.
All right. 50 above minimums. Runway is. Oh no, that's 300.
1400.
Gosh.
And try to follow 3-mile final.
Sorry, man.
City,
Very good.
traffic is tight.
Extending downwind, looking for traffic 019.
Traffic in the left down is going to be a Skyhawk 10 to follow behind you. Additional traffic 3 east McAllen westbound, still at A-Star at 900 feet.
And no on the A-Star and looking for the left downwind traffic 506.
Helicopter?
I got the helicopter.
Oh. Final traffic in sight.
114, thank you. Remain north of Alpha, right base approved, Charlie 2, clear to land.
Alright, north of Alpha, right base, Charlie 2, clear to land for 114.
019, try to fall, about a 2 mile final knot, 600 feet, says a 150.
Looking for traffic 019er.
And 516, we got both traffic in sight.
516, thank you.
Eyes up.
Yep.
feet for 300 feet.
Traffic inside 019er.
019, number 2, runway 32, clear for the option.
Number 2, runway 32, clear for the option 019er.
Feet for 300 feet.
070, extend down number 3 to follow us, says on a 3 mile left base, port traffic in sight.
Downwind number 3, look for traffic
400 feet for 300 feet. $150, let's check the runway and beautiful.
Yep.
But it's coming down.
We have more traffic in sight.
070, thank you. You said you had the traffic 2 mile final in sight?
Affirmative.
070, number 2 now, base follow the Skyhawk 2 mile final, runway 32, clear to land.
32, clear to land number 2, Detroit 070.
Go slow. There you go.
That runway over there is only 14 feet wide and 2,700.
14 feet wide. Oh my gosh.
14,700. It's so bad, man.
Nice. 516, turn out on Charlie, contact ground point 8.
Right on Charlie and over to ground, Cessna 516. 36 and then Charlie.
Oh.
The examiner told me, hey, can you land? I mean, I can. I think the shortest one I think I done is 50 feet. I didn't have any problem, but it really depends on the wind.
Yeah. Nice.
Where are we? After landing, flaps are up, car feed is off, strobes are off, landing light off, pilot heat off, make sure as required, trains off for takeoff, and transponder BFR. McAllen ground. McAllen ground, Cessna 11516, clear runway 32 at Charlie, we're going to McCreary.
McAllen ground, 6 Bravo, Romeo Bravo Lima.
Cessna 11516, taxi to McCreary via Charlie, cross runway 18 at Charlie.
Taxi via Charlie, cross runway 18 at Charlie, Cessna 516.
Taxi Bravo, Romeo Bravo Lima, ground.
Thank you, it's a Papa Alpha 31. We'd like to fly VFR to Monterey. Mike Alpha November about the 6,000.
So nice, VFR to Monterey.
Exit Bravo.
Yeah, you said you're going over there, right?
32, taxi via runway 18.
No, not yet.
18 on Alpha.
I know you went south once.
Thank you.
I know you went south the border once.
Yeah, it was a little bit problematic. I told you, right?
Yeah.
But I still haven't given up. Just that you need to get a decal with Border Patrol every year. It's going to expire on the 31st, and then you need to update your paperwork every 6 months over there.
I gotcha. That's a lot to manage.
Yeah. And then Mexican. Yeah, and the thing with Mexico, you need to get like a whole permit, and then
ground elite.
since they're a little bit tough with
going to Stanford
making all your documents stuff like
Region
that.
2890 ground clear to Stanford Airport as filed. Climb maintain 3000. Expect flight level 37010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.55. Squawk 6651.
Stanford is filed 3000 37010 after 2655 6651 Allegiant 2890.
Region 2890 readback is correct.
Yeah, like for that approach is like how
ground time on 2416 Bravo, Avacamp Flight Academy with information proximity.
how do you know when you're on the final approach fix, right? I still need to check here. I don't know if there's like an...
That's now on Charlie. Once you get them in sight, give way and taxi to runway 32 via... Taxi runway 32 after the Cessna via...
But which one? Over there, up in Kerrville?
Runway 18 Alpha.
Give way to the Cessna, we have them in sight, and runway 32 via Charlie Alpha, cross 18 on Alpha.
Everyone is so excited to fly today.
Nope, it's going to be left onto Charlie, taxi onto runway 18, then Alpha.
Left onto Charlie, right onto 18, then left onto Alpha for runway 32, 2.16 Bravo.
Good morning, 2070 Alpha 3.
2070 on the ground, taxi park via Charlie.
My God, my bad, Charlie 2 ramp 2070. Back on the ground, citation 525 Juliet Mike.
Citation 525 Juliet Mike ground.
Yeah, I have order radio.
Have you talked to Jorge?
Juliet Mike, clear to the Laredo Airport.
Jorge? Yeah, we've flown, but last week? Yeah, last week and the week before. We took care of his long IFR.
Oh, sweet. Where do you go?
Just to Brownsville, Corpus, and back. And then he was gonna go take care of the long commercial on his own with his wife, or girlfriend, whatever.
Alright, mixture filling. Mags are off. Master is off, lights are off.